Here is the latest Artistry inspired class. It goes with the Mega Sweet Cake Soiree bundle. There are 3 parts to it. You can buy 1 part, 2 parts, or all 3 parts. Each time you purchase a part, you get the instructions to make 4 different cards. In the last one, you get some cards and some packaging ideas. Each part, you'll get a celebration item. So I'll show you some of the different things that you'll get. You'll end up with 3 stamp pads. If you have these colors already, you can swap them for some other colors. The celebration items that you'll need, if you already have them, you can get something else, but you'll get the ribbons, which are beautiful. They have silver undertones to them, which work nicely with the silver undertones in the paper. One of the other celebration items that you'll get at the end are the Memories and More packet. You'll get the gable boxes, you'll get the silver paste, you'll get the palette tools, you'll get the lovely little embellishment packaging, which is one of my favorite parts, and you'll get that at the very beginning, because even if you don't have hardly any stamping embellishments, this will get you through, so your cards at the very beginning will look fabulous. And then at the very end, it's going to be one of your packaging items. You'll get the silver embellished ribbon. You'll get that at the end, which goes nicely with the shreddy. So you can see how you're going to be able to work your packaging. The first stamp set that you'll get will be the Celebration Amazing You. And if you don't have any blocks, choose the wood mount. Then you won't need any blocks. If you already have some clear blocks, then you can get that in the clear mount. In the second installment, you'll get the stamps and you'll get the die cuts. If you don't have a big shot, you will need a big shot. If you don't have a big shot, you can pay a little extra and I will run all of the dies that you need to make your cards for you. You will get the assortment pack, which is nice. It matches the card, so you'll get that at the beginning. So you'll have a nice assorted pack of cardstock to work with, and then you'll get some glossy cardstock. And if you've never worked with glossy cardstock before, you'll have some fun techniques to be able to do with that. The silver paste comes at the end. I'm going to throw in a Stella, so that'll be free. The Stella is one of my favorite things, very favorite things in the catalog. You'll get some gable boxes. That'll be some packaging. You'll get some 6x8 cello bags. If you are a demonstrator and you would just like to purchase the class, I sell the class in a PDF form. So I will have all of the instructions and all of the card designs, which I'm going to fly through very quickly, because when I sell this as a class, I don't want, I don't show the designs anywhere in a still form. You'll get the masks. So this one's very well used, and I am going to have this on my website. I have a helper over here. I can hear him. He's apparently opening up some of my packaging. Apparently he likes the new Big Shot platform that I've gotten. Maybe he can see himself. But back to the cards. So I'm going to show you real quickly. If you order the first set, like I said, you don't have to have any stamping, anything. The only thing you would need is some adhesive. So here are the cards, real quick, that you would make in the first installment. So those would be your 4 cards. Real quick again, you're going to let the paper do a lot of the work for you, and the little embellishment kit. And those have the embellishment kit. When I was all finished with mine, I just threw it in the box. This was some of the things that I stamped once I was done with all of my projects. Some of the extra kits, some of the extra things I'd stamped, just a bunch of the leftovers, and it makes a real cute little storage thing. Then after the second module of the class, these would be the 4 cards that you would have. You would have this one here. This one you would throw in the stamp set and the dies. So you kind of step it up a notch. Again, those are the 4 that come in the second time. You can see the paper has that really pretty silver shimmer to it. Then after the 3rd time, and you don't get these all at once, they're spaced out. The 3rd time, And like I said, you're going to get some packaging. So you'll have a little gable box that, of course, is filled with the Shreddy. And if you were looking closely, which I'm not going to let you look closely, but if you were looking closely, you would see it all has, most of these have the paste on them, which is a lot of fun. This is mainly using the Memories and More packs. So those are easy. You could fill off a bunch of those. Again, Memories and More, paste. That one's got a whole bunch of everything going on. And this will have a technique, a bunch of techniques. But you would have the PDF instructions mailed to you. So each of the modules is about between 52 and I think the highest one's around 70. But when you're done, all this is yours. So you would have, like, this is the Shreddy that I used in this bag. And the cardstock that I used is over here. You will have so much stuff that you'll be able to keep going forever. I don't know where my ribbon is. The embellishment pack that I used, this is just the pieces that would fit. You will be able to make oodles and gobs of other projects because you'll still have a ton of stuff left. So you can head over to my website. It's stampinonline.com and you can check that out. Because it has celebration items included, I will let you purchase it through the middle of March. The details will be on there, but my family and I will be vacationing in Ireland, and we're leaving the middle of March, so we need to have all of the orders in before we leave the country. We won't be back until Good Friday, so it'll be too late till the end of celebration. So all of the orders need to be in, but you'll be able to craft on it, and I'll be available to answer questions through this in April. But then I want it to be closed up. I'm not going to keep dragging it on forever, but you'll have the PDFs, you'll have up-close pictures. If you're a demonstrator, your customers could order as long as the celebrations or items are available. A little bit concerned that the ribbon might not make it through because a lot of the celebration items are while supplies last, and you do need this in your first one or your second one because you don't have a lot of ribbon to work with until you get the last of them. So again, stampinonline.com. This is the Artistry Inspired series, and I hope you'll check it out. Thank you.